Hello, this is Keith Terr with Raven IT. This is a guide for submitting tech tickets so we may help assess any technology issues you may be having. I'll be going over where to submit a ticket, what to submit a ticket about, and how to submit the ticket. This guide is primarily for teachers, but there will be a chapter at the end dedicated for students in relation to Chromebook issues. So, without further ado, let's begin. To start, please navigate to the Robbinsville Public School website at the URL robbinsville.k12.nj.us. This can be done on your Chromebook, desktop computer, or even mobile device. Hovering over the Staff dropdown will reveal a section called Technology Help Desk. Click on this to continue. A new tab will open on Incident IQ at the URL of robbinsville.incidentiq.com/login. Please log in through your school Google account, the arvilleschools.org one, to continue. Before proceeding, just as a future convenience, I would add this IIQ page to a bookmark so you can go straight to this website in the future. Entirely optional though. Tech tickets can be about various issues. We've attempted to add enough ways to clarify all the possible issues you could have. Issues can range from being unable to log in, faulty equipment, problems with email, printing headaches, and hundreds more. The tech team is here to help, but we can't do every request, as some might interfere with security or simply might not be possible. But we encourage you to submit a tech ticket if assistance is needed. We don't want to leave you to struggle. Now let's walk through an example for submitting a ticket. Let's say I'm a teacher at Robbinsville High School. My speaker has suddenly stopped working, no more sounds coming out of it, so I can't play any videos for my students. I've done basic troubleshooting like restarting, unplugging, wires, but to no avail. Let's put a tech ticket under this scenario. I'll first click on the New Ticket button. Here we can start to whittle down what our issue relates to. Before going on, make sure your location is set correctly. This is vital. If you're not set to the correct school, your ticket might take significantly long to complete as we sort out where exactly you are to help you. Since the speaker is hardware, we'll continue to devices/hardware. If your hardware or device has a physical asset tag, you can type it here to obtain your exact asset. Since this is a room speaker in this case, it probably doesn't have a tag, and we don't encourage you to stand on the desk to check that. We'll now sort by device category until we find sound systems. Since the room speaker models aren't listed, I'll put it under generic. As for the issue category, we'll go to other, in which we can specifically find our issue of no sound. This new page is the most crucial of all, as it allows you to directly describe your issue in detail. Please write out the issue. It doesn't have to be too long, as you can also describe the issue when we arrive at the scene to solve your issue. But you should try to give enough details so we can arrive on the scene prepared with the tools to solve your problem. Speaking of arriving on the scene, this is also the page where you should give your specific location, typically room number, so that we can easily locate you. If your issue is time sensitive or you're only available to have your issue fixed at a specific time during the day, please note that in the description of the issue so we can properly schedule in line with your needs. If you're submitting on the behalf of someone else, you may also add a user to include in this ticket for more clarity. Once this screen is filled out to your liking, you may click the blue Submit Ticket button and we'll see your ticket pop up on our tech to-do list. I can't assure we'll be there instantly. It depends on the volume of tickets we have per that day. But as long as it's submitted, it will be taken care of. On the note of ticket volume, the tech team would like to request that nobody submits duplicate tickets of an issue. We understand how frustrating it is when your ticket is unable to be completed in a timely manner, but adding more tickets creates an even longer queue for everyone, making our job considerably more difficult and a slower process for everyone overall. Trust that we can see your ticket, and we will get to you when we are able. One last thing to be on the lookout for is comments. The tech team may try to reach out to you via Instant IQ on the page about your ticket. You should be notified via email, your Gmail more specifically, upon a comment being posted. We may be asking you to clarify locations, times, or exact issues, or may be able to solve your issues right through the comment field, so please check back on the ticket page when you're notified to do so. Alright, that is the end of the teacher section of Instant IQ. Thanks for following along, and I hope we're able to assist you soon. Thank you. Hello. This section is intended for students who'd like to submit a ticket regarding Chromebooks. Please use this guide if you need any assistance with a Chromebook that isn't working in any manner. We can repair, replace, locate, and wipe Chromebooks as necessary. Please note, if your Chromebook is not solvable with our repair capabilities, your student contract will still apply and you will be charged for repairs. But still put in the ticket anyways, because we need to replace your Chromebook. And without further ado, let's get into how to submit a ticket. Follow the on-screen QR code or navigate to rhs.robbinsville.k12.nj.us. Go under the Academics tab, Student Resources, and click on the Technology Help Desk. From here, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account. Be certain to use your school account or you'll have some trouble in the upcoming steps. Now on the Incident IQ page, we'll click on New Ticket, and then Devices/Hardware. Every Chromebook should have an asset tag on its bottom. The asset tag is usually white and typically has a 5 to 6 digit number. If your Chromebook does not have this, attempt to find the serial number, usually located here, and usually begins with S/N/RST. Typing either the asset tag or serial number into the search asset field is crucial, as it allows us to assess the physical Chromebook you carry, and essential for carrying out our solutions. Once your Chromebook comes up in the directory, please click on the asset to continue. If your Chromebook does not show up, doesn't have an asset tag or a serial number, please submit a ticket regardless, and note those things in the description. This new page will allow you to select your issue category, essential to solving the problem. Please attempt to whittle down the selection until you find your problem, or if you're not having luck there, simply select Issue Not Listed. Now onto the most important page. This is where you're able to physically describe your Chromebook's problem. Please give enough information so we can pin down what exact issue you're facing. Next, please set the location as the Media Center. The Media Center is the hub for Chromebook tickets. Upon submitting the ticket, you will drop off your Chromebook there to Sharon Kish or any other Media Center representative. Additionally, the Media Center may provide a post-it note. Please write your name on that and stick it on your Chromebook when dropping off. This makes going through the specific Chromebook tickets far more streamlined for us. Once these fields are completed, please submit your ticket, drop off your Chromebook, and return to class. You may get email notifications from Incident IQ. Please check this, as we may be asking clarifying questions in the comment field, but beyond that there's no need to worry. Upon the Chromebook being fixed, we will call you down to the Media Center to pick it up, and the ticket will be resolved. As an aside, you may also submit a different ticket type, which is the request for a new Chromebook charger. But please note that each student is only permitted to request a replacement charger once. Otherwise, you must provide your own charger. Thank you for following along with the student Chromebook ticket tutorial, and I hope we're able to assist you soon. And that's also the end of this installment of Raven IT. So thank you for watching.